In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install electric underfloor heating. Firstly, ensure the subfloor is clean, dry and level before installation. If needed, install an insulation boards to improve energy efficiency. Measure the room and plan where you'll be placing the heating mat or wire, and avoid installing under fixed furniture. Roll out the mat, making sure the heat elements face up, and if needed, cut the mat's mesh back in to adjust its shape around obstacles, then stick the mat down using adhesive or tape. Place the floor sensor between two heating wires for accurate temperature readings, and run the sensor cable through conduit tubing to allow for easy replacement if needed. Use a multimeter to check the resistance of the heating mat or cable, then compare the reading with the manufacturer's specifications. Apply a thin layer of self-leveling compound to protect the heating elements and allow it to fully dry before proceeding with the floor installation. Use flexible tile adhesive if installing tiles, and if using laminate, vinyl, or carpet, follow the manufacturer's guidelines for compatibility. Now wire the heating system and floor sensor to the thermostat and ensure the connections match the wiring diagram in the manual. Once connected, do not turn the system on yet. Let the adhesive fully cure for usually 24 to 48 hours. Turn on the system and check if it heats evenly and adjust thermostat settings as needed. Then enjoy your warm floor. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.